Specialized team made up of multiple law enforcement agencies was able to locate a stolen vehicle on Monday that was reportedly being driven by a convicted felon who had a gun and drugs on him. Pueblo County Sheriff's Office. Here is Samuel Rivera. This article is from earlier, and I got an update on this. You won't believe it. This guy's going to be charged with 16 felonies. And he's going to get out on bond. Not a peace bond, not on his own recognizance, but a money bond. But you won't believe how much. 16 felonies, how much do you think that bond should be? If you're going to go and charge a person with 16 felonies. So this is published February 28th, updated March the 1st. He's facing charges of aggravated motor vehicle theft, unlawful distribution of a controlled substance, possession of a weapon by a previous offender, protection order violation, warrant for domestic violence, aggravated motor vehicle, so grand theft auto, and the drugs thing is kind of, but then the weapon, and then the protection order, and then the warrant for the domestic violence, and it's like, the battle team beating auto theft through law enforcement is made up of Pueblo County Sheriff's detectives, Pueblo Police, and Colorado State Patrol. That's nice. The battle team. I like that. The battle team. The team was able to track down a stolen 2015 Land Rover Monday afternoon as part of a special operation. The driver, Samuel Rivera, is already a convicted felon. According to the sheriff's office, Rivera was behind the wheel of the stolen vehicle in possession of a handgun, 8.5 grams of fentanyls. Is that how it is? 1.5 grams of heroines and 1.5 grams of meths. So he had meth, heroin, fentanyls, handgun, stolen vehicle. So he goes to jail, right? What do you think? He's going to get out on bond. And he's not going to show up to, surprise, surprise. Allegedly, it was committed February 28th. He posted a $10,000 surety bond on May 2nd, or March the 2nd. 2 days? He was in jail for 2 days? March the 2nd? So he's been on the run for 3 goddamn months and 13 days? 3 months and 13 days, Samuel Rivera. They're looking for 36-year-old Samuel Rivera, 16 felony charges on his record from 2016. Oh, okay, on his record. Those felony charges include assault, felony, menacing, burglary, robbery, trespassing. That's felony trespassing right there, boy. And the arrest affidavit obtained by 13 investigators. Arresting officers located 8.5 fentanyl. They're located in a sandwich page with M30 fentanyl written on the front. They did not feel comfortable counting or sorting any of the blue in color pills because they feared fentanyl exposure. The officers didn't feel. Pueblo County Sheriff's Office says Rivera had the intent to distribute the drug and was in violation of 3 separate restraining orders by possessing a firearm. We're looking for the same people. We're looking for them for the same charges. Pueblo Police Sergeant Franklin Ortega said these are all pretty serious charges. They are drug charges, motor vehicle theft, and other things. And on top of it, this individual should not have a gun. He's got a gun. Arrest documents say Rivera was convicted on first-degree assault and domestic violence charges in Nebraska in 2006. It's been a while. He was sentenced to 5 years in prison. Then in 2015, Rivera was convicted on drug felony and felony menacing charges. He was sentenced to 4 years in prison. Then in 2016, Rivera was convicted on second-degree burglary charges and was sentenced to 6 years in the Department of Corrections. Rivera has not appeared for his mandatory court appearances since he posted bond on March the 2nd. If you've seen him, contact the Pueblo Police. And they'll go get him. Hey, Pueblo Police. So June 14th was posted yesterday by Sean Rice by KRDO. Ay. Oh, Oh, he was just sitting behind the wheel of a stolen vehicle? Your Honor, I thought it was my vehicle, and I got down the road. When I realized it wasn't mine, I tried to turn around. That's when I got arrested. Your Honor, you don't understand. If it pleases the court. Arrest papers revealed disturbing details before murder suspect stole Colorado Springs police cruiser. Wanted. Who's this guy? Daniel Egan? He's got that head tattoo. I feel like that's... You kind of make certain life choice. You got to make... You're kind of headed in a particular direction. When you get a face tattoo or a head tattoo, murder suspect leaves the scene, drives towards Walsenburg. What is going